Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex. We will continue to talk about euro currency today. This is the daily research from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Well, let's take a look at the daily time chart of the euro currency. You can see that trend has turned to bearish side. Okay, although we have expected some possible stop grabber on the MACD predict indicator, but today I do not have even on this chart, because market clearly with this strong nasty bar to the downside has destroyed this possibility for the possible MACD predictor failure, or as Joe Napoli called this, stop grabber pattern. Okay, so this yesterday's move was basically due to the fundamental news. As you know, the Moody's rating decreased the rating of the Spain for the one notch to the double A rating, so this was hardly hit the yield of the bonds, the Euro Union bonds, and on the euro currency, of course. So the speculation about this difficult situation with the Portugal and Greece and Ireland, Spain continues. So this will show additional pressure on the currency of Euro Union. So we already have talked about this in the couple of research ago, and when we talked about the fundamental risks of the possible euro currency. So that has happened. In fact, the peripheral countries starts to feel the pressure from their difficult economic situations, and the Euro Union couldn't support the same quality of economic pace for core of the Euro Union and for the peripheral countries. Okay, so let's return to the technical analysis. What do we have currently? Although the trend has turned bearish, as you remember, we expect to see the possible bread and butter buy trade on this daily time frame. Okay, and the bread and butter trade is the directional trade. In direction due to methodology of the Joe Napoli overall trend. So if trend is bearish, but we expect to see the bullish pattern, directional pattern, so the directional pattern overrules the direction of the trend. So it means that still the bread and butter buy trade is still valid. It's still possible to see it, although today is Friday, so I do not know will market show today some significant move to the upside or not. But maybe it will start on the beginning of the next week. But currently you can see that market just hit 3.8 support from the whole swing up. This is normal price action during the retracement from the swings. This is just the 3.8 from the whole swing up. Also we can see 1, 2 closes below the green line. So as I said, bread and butter can start from when it showed 1 or 2, 3 possible closes below. Okay, so that's also this fact doesn't cancel the possibility for the bread and butter trade. Now you can see that market also hit the weekly pivot support point. So this is very nice area of support, strong support, and possibly market can show some starting of the possible move to the upside with this bread and butter trade. The target of this trade will be 139.15 area. This is 618 resistance from the whole opposite move to the trust. Okay, so if this low will hold, if market will continue move to the downside and break to the downside this area of support, well, in this case I think that I will not be awaiting the bread and butter trade anymore, because possibly this will mean that possibly we will not see any bread and butter trade if market will continue move to the downside and reach somewhere around 127 area. Okay, but currently it's still possible. So that's why my trading plan for today is to wait some bullish patterns on the hourly and 4-hour trend or 4-hour time frame. Okay, now let's shift to the 4-hour chart. You can see that trend is clearly bearish based on the MACD predicted market stands below the red line. Okay, so here we can clearly see that market has hit this support and weekly pivot support point. Now let's take a look at this pattern. A, B, C, market hit 618 and almost hit 100% expansion, 137.41. It's just below this area for the 40 pips. Okay, well, previously we talked about this possible A, B, C, this shell. Now we talk about this greater ABC. Well, although hourly trend turns bullish, I do not see any buy patterns yet. So what could we see in general? On the hourly chart, in general, we could see possibly, now I shift to the hourly chart, just a minute. Okay, so possibly what we can see, possibly we can see head and shoulders, reverse head and shoulders pattern, something. Okay, maybe it will be the three drive or something else. But currently on the hourly chart, I do not see any buy patterns, and I do not have any context for the entering on the long side yet. Although market has hit strong area of support that we can see, the 100% expansion target from this ABC pattern is just below the market. So probably in the situation when the market has shown very nasty sell-off during the previous trading session, I will wait for the more clearer signs for the possible entry on the long side. Here the butterfly, by the way, that we talked yesterday, you can see the market reached this target of the butterfly, trying to move to the upside and failed. Market continue move to the downside. Okay, so here you can see, by the way, why I like the strong area of supports to entering on the market, even if I am wrong. As you remember, we're trying to enter in this area, so this bouncing when the market has reaching some strong area of supports, this was, by the way, the daily conference support previously. Okay, allow us to move the stops to the break even when we enter. If we are wrong, if we are wrong, as you can see later, okay, we lose nothing, because market bounce, we move play stops to the break even and just watch the movie. Here the same way, market has hit strong area of support and it should bounce at least for the first touch. It also was the target of the butterfly 1618 target 138 area. So that has happened. This also allows us to move to stops to the break even or even exit from the trade with a small profit. That's why I prefer to use agreements and confidence supports that is coincides with the weekly pivot points. Okay, because this is really strong supports and allow us to give some more safety to enter. Even if we are wrong, we can exit dry from the water. Okay, so that's my view currently on the euro currency. That's been said, although market has hit strong area of support on the daily time frame and the bullish context for the bread and butter trade is still varied with a target around 139.15, I still do not see any buy signals currently, and I think that we should get more safe for entering, because yesterday's sell-off was really strong. Well, and I prefer to see more clear signs on the hourly time frame, some more bullish signs before entering on the long side. For example, I prefer to see that market first hit 137.40 area and will show me some clear bullish pattern before I will enter on the long side of the market.